flip it over after. Okay, now we're going to put it upside down. Upside down, so you and get the bottom, and I fold this bit up. No, I'm only taking part because she has. And then you fold this up. See, so now we don't see it, right, Chloe? Now
Yeah, I'm gonna
fold it up.
fold this bit.
Yeah, fold it up and crease. And now you try. Do it like an upside triangle, but curves are like smooth. I'm drawing this right, you guys?
A funny face
Do
like
another triangle, smaller and connect. You try, Chloe. Okay. You could change where your line is, but you can't put it down here or down underneath. Good job. You're doing it cool.
What you drawing, Annie?
funny face milkshake.
Are you sure you
And
don't want
he has back.
Now when we close it, we cannot see the teeth. See? We cannot see. It's just a normal candy corn laying around saying, oh, I don't know. We gotta do the big tongue.
I'm going to keep this
The big tongue is going to
And
be
easy.
starting from the middle. Going here.
cream. I have blue crazy whipped cream spatting everywhere.
Now do it gentle.
It has crazy whipped cream spatting everywhere.
Make sure you keep it on the paper, love.
Now you fold it in, and all you see
Is a
folding surprises.
milkshake. Folding surprise.
With me, you color it just like a candy cane.
I want to do orange polka dot.
Orange.
For now, I'm going to draw a scary pumpkin.